Guys, this is a Wattmaster WATRCF9. It's basically a relabeled HPM Airboss ceiling fan. As you can see, here's the label. There you go. I got this thing off Facebook Marketplace a couple months ago for I think $25. It didn't come with a mounting bracket, and I've never actually even had it disassembled. I just brought it here, assembled, and put it up there. It's been above my shed's door for about 4 months, and it's been pretty much running on medium or high ever since it's been installed. Like having a fan above the door, but finally getting around to making a video of it because I'm about to take it down. So yeah, anyway, it's on a 3-speed controller, so we'll go ahead and start it on the low. By the way, that other noise that you're hearing is the other fans. Get a little bit of a breeze off it directly underneath it. Go ahead and put it onto medium. Again, it's been running on either medium or high since I got it, pretty much. We'll go ahead and put it onto high. Pretty good breeze. It's been running on high for about a week because it's been raining and the rain comes under the door, so I had it on to dry the door out. Works real good for that. Spin down. I got it to hang here mainly so that I could have a fan to leave on, because I'm not really too worried about putting hours on this or letting it get dusty, because it's not a super important fan, and it's not in the best of shape to begin with, so I don't mind having this one up to use the crap out of it. And it probably won't be too long before it goes up again, because it's a very versatile fan. I want to put two 36-inch vintage fans here, so that's why it's coming down. If you're wondering, it's not screwed to the beam. It's the only time I've ever installed a fan like this, but it's actually just got steel wires wrapping around the mounting bracket to hang it there. It's a good runner though, got a long spin down, especially for a 36-inch fan with aluminium blades. Okay, thanks for watching.